Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mute stories of your friend on Instagram. So if you have if you want to mute stories for one of your friend, whatever the reason is, you can try to open your Instagram. Open your a one of your friend stories, for example. Here you can tap three dots at the top of the stories, top of the screen, and here we go. You can tap mute. You can mute this one. You can mute one of your friend. You can unmute them from their profile. Instagram will not let them know you mute them. Here you can mute only the stories, or you can mute stories and his or her posts. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click next button below. See you in the next video.